Zaza's Cocktail Specials. Today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing, refreshing drink called Bittersweet. It's a farewell drink to summer. As you can see, we are here at the river. It's a beautiful fall evening just before sunset. And this drink has gin and elderflower and is topped off with prosecco. Super simple to make, great fall picnic drink. Alright, so let's start. We're going to make this straight into our glass. So we're going to fill our glass half with ice. Now the first thing is going to be gin. We're going to pour a shot, 4 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have an elderflower syrup here, and it's very sweet. So just 2 counts, 1, 2. And we're going to top off this drink with prosecco. Alright, so we're just going to top off our drink with prosecco. And the only thing we'll do is give it a little stir. Not too much, so the bubbles don't disappear. That's why we're not shaking this drink. We're only stirring it to keep it nice and bubbly. So you can give it a taste, and depending on your own taste, you can add some more elderflower for some sweetness, or gin for more strength, whatever you like. We're going to decorate this with some blueberries. And the first one is ready. Of course, because drinking is better in company, we're going to make a second one. Alright, so let's see what my boyfriend thinks of this drink.
Really nice.
Goodbye, summer!
Okay, goodbye.
We'll drink all of this now. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you liked it, I'd very much appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and I'd love to hear from you what you think about this drink in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time!